Hi, this is Kelly on another wild adventure, and this is the sea in Alaska, and this is a river that I've never been on in my life, and I am crossing this river on this log, and this I'm not on a trail, I'm in the wilderness, so hopefully I don't fall. And if I fall, you will witness my demise. So, we don't want that because you won't get to see my video. So, here I am, I'm actually walking on two logs. I'm looking a little bit. Waterfalls overhead. And I'm out here today. It's 60 degrees in Alaska. Woohoo! Yeah, that's what we like. And I'm in my t-shirt on the ocean. It's been an awesome adventure. So I crossed the river and now I'm on my way. So until next time, see ya.